At an auction, there are big auctions, little auctions, local auctions and internet auctions. The good thing about an auction is that you can find just about anything from cars to wine to clothes to militaria. But with militaria there are some dangers. Most auction houses will not guarantee militaria, especially German militaria. And another thing to take into consideration with an auction is the price that you bid isn't the price you pay. They usually have a commission charge ranging from 15 to 30%. So that item that cost you £100 now will cost you at least 115, if not 130, depending on the value of the items. Some people like to sell surplus items into auction, or items they've bought that they no longer want. Remember that commission works both ways, so if you sell something in an auction for £100, after fees you'll normally have about 70. Sometimes it's best to err on the side of caution and contact maybe a dealer first to get a quote.